Hi everyone, welcome to TadiBrothers. Today we are going to discuss our newest innovation in the wired backup camera field. This new style of transmitting images is called AHD, and it lets you transmit a flawless 1080p image over a standard RCA cable. Until now, the only system that supported this technology were our recently released version 3 digital wireless system. That's the one with the 1080p and the 300-foot range. Today, we will introduce you to its wired counterpart. This new wired technology is so reliable that our goal is by the end of this year, we will completely phase out the traditional technology from our lineup. At its core, it makes your daytime colors more vivid and removes the graininess from the night vision. Lets you see farther down the road at night. And in this video, we're going to give you the specs, discuss a few systems that are available today, and finally show you a few real-world comparison between the traditional camera and the AHD. We're very excited to show you this new lineup. It is perfect for fleets, RVs, motorhomes. And in this video, we're going to prove it to you. Let's get started. Hello, thanks for coming back. I'm Tamir, and first let's answer the basic question of what is AHD? Well, it's an acronym for Analog High Definition. It is a video surveillance standard that allows for the transmission of high definition digital video over traditional analog cables. AHD was developed to provide a reliable solution for transmitting high quality 1080p video in security and surveillance systems. For example, traditional cameras have a 480i or lower resolution. That translates into about 300,000 pixels. Our AHD cameras have a resolution of 1080p, which translates into over 2 million pixels. That's almost a 700% difference over the traditional tech. In terms of color, let me pop up the daytime video right here so you can see it while we're talking. Traditional lenses can support 16 million colors versus AHD that can support 12 billion. That's a billion with a B. And lastly, for the people that care, what people care the most about, and that is the night vision. And here is where the AHD really shines. Get it? Shining cameras. Okay, I tried, a comedian, I am not. But put it right here, thank you. Traditional cameras have always struggled with providing a good image at night. You either get decent images, but you can't see anything beyond 5 feet. Or you see 30 feet down the road, but then it's grainy and it's kind of rinky-dinky. That's a scientific term, by the way, rinky-dinky. AHD upends all that. With a lux lower than 0.01, you can still see a phenomenal image with the 1/10 of the light needed for the traditional cameras. In terms of distance, in pitch dark environment, you will be able to see up to 100 feet away. This makes it perfect for nighttime security for while you're parked. There's a lot more specs to go over, but I already see your eyes glazing over, so here's the bottom line. AHD is the shizzle of the backup camera nizzle. You will not find anything better than that on the market. And to prove it, at the end of this video, I will include the full unedited B-roll of the daytime and nighttime video so you guys can see for yourself and compare the colors. For now, you can see the shortened version of it right here, where you can see the details of the color, how they show up on the screen, the lines, the sharpness of it, even the greens, right? The greens has always been an issue because there's a give and take with the night vision. That has been resolved with this thing. This is the camera has the best greens we've ever made. Now, before I forget, I do want to throw in a small disclaimer. The AHD components cannot be mixed and matched with non-AHD products. So if you have an old system, you would have to change the camera and the monitor. You can't just change one of the component. That said, if you shamelessly, I'm plugging, sign up for our emails or call our team, they will always discuss some kind of trade-in deal, or you'll get an email with some kind of trade-in coupon that we will take your old system and give you the new one, even if it's not from us. Yeah, we're that kind of crazy. Now, we've also made an AHD version for every single type of component. So there's a 7-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch monitor or mirror. There's an RV license or side camera. We even have a DVR version and a multiplexer for AHD. If you want to mix wired and wireless, we have a solution for that as well. We've done everything in the line for you guys to be able to create the system you want. Now, one last thing about buying AHD. It is a little more pricey than the traditional systems, but as Mama always said, you get what you pay for. And what we did was we actually removed a lot of upgrades in order to make it easier for you. The night vision, all those things, extra color, the grid lines, all that is now included by default into all AHD systems. So when you factor in those free upgrades, it actually comes out less expensive than the traditional tech. Right? So in conclusion, whether you want to buy this for an RV or a trailer, if you want to outfit your fleet or delivery trucks or bulldozers, we have an AHD solution for you. In fact, if you go to our commercial category on the website, you will see that we have upgraded almost all of our commercial-based systems to AHD. For most of them, we didn't even raise the price. From dusk till dawn, whether on a farm or a construction site, our image quality and durability will never fail. Our anti-explosion cameras featured in this exact technology are mounted on military tanks as we speak. I mean, look at this camera right here. It is a great example of the marriage between form and function. We designed this ourselves. This is a very durable product. Bulletproof, made by the stuff that the spaceship is made out of. Lastly, how do you get these systems? Well, if you go to TadiBrothers.com, you simply type in the word AHD or 1080p in the search bar. You will see the current AHD systems, or you can filter them by clicking the wired AHD button on the side of the page. We encourage you to peruse the site, read about it, or just give us a jingle. We'll gladly answer any questions you have over the phone. Now, that is my pitch, folks. If all these features don't demonstrate how good this system is, let me give you a couple of more benefits of buying from TadiBrothers. First, anything you buy from TadiBrothers always includes a 30-day, 100% full money-back guarantee. That means that if you're not happy for any reason, even if you don't like the smell of the tape we use to close the box, you have 30 days from the date of delivery to send it back for a full refund. Next, all products purchased on TadiBrothers.com feature our world-class 1-year warranty, which is serviced right here in the USA. Now, if our loosey-goosey refund policy or our 1-year warranty don't tickle your pickle, I challenge you to whip on over to Trustpilot.com. Type in the word TadiBrothers and read our thousands and thousands of verified 5-star reviews. There you will see exactly how we treat our customers. And those of you who even look at reviews know exactly how hard it is to achieve that. But I can't take that credit. That credit belongs to our knowledgeable and friendly customer service agent that patiently go above and beyond to make sure each customer feels like family. And I hope you will give us the opportunity to do the same for you. If you have any other questions about this product or anything else, feel free to call us anytime at 866-966-5550, and our American-based team will answer any questions you might have. If you want to speak with me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around, and it'll be my honor to earn your business. From all of us here at TadiBrothers, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we wish you safe travels. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.